What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles. We are a few hours from heading to Topeka, Kansas for Blizzard Bash. And guess where I'm at? We made it down to the scrapyard. Had a truck bed full of copper and aluminum. You know, just give me some walking around money when we get to Kansas. Next up on my list of things to do, I'm on my way to the hospital. Pretty much gonna get checked out and cleared to run the Derby. I've never done that before, but 2 weeks ago I started getting pain in my neck, and it was almost like whiplash, which I had bought some Heelys for Blizzard Bash, and I was practicing in the garage. And you know, I like pulled a muscle on my back. They are not the same as wearing rollerblades. So I assumed, you know, I gave myself whiplash or something from the Heelys. Well, it's been 2 weeks and the pain has come down to my ears. So I'm gonna go get that checked out because that doesn't make sense to me. My doctor has told me that I have shingles, which apparently is grown-up chickenpox, which he said could be brought on by stress. What the fuck am I stressed about? Let's go get in a car crash with some of the best guys in the country. Anyway, they gave me some steroids, so if y'all see me looking jacked in Kansas, it's I might walk around without my shirt on. Just picked me up new car batteries. That's the cool thing about warranties. I always try to Sharpie the date I buy my batteries on the top. Most time you get 1 to 2 year warranty. I try to replace them within that time. That way we roll out there with fresh batteries. Picked up a new oil filter. Oil, you know, we broke the engine in. We haven't changed the oil yet, so we're gonna change that. Make sure there's no, you know, metal flakes and all that from where everything's getting broken in. Heads up to anybody driving to Blizzard Bash this week. I found this out last year. If you go down a tow road and you don't stop, like they have an off-ramp for you to pay. Like here in Indiana and like parts of Kentucky that I've been in that I hit a tow road, they'll send you a bill for like $3 or $4, whatever. Like Kansas last year hit me up for like $60 to $70 on the way through and like there and back. So it was like 30, 35 bucks away. Like they are proud of their tow roads. But if you pull over, I hear it's like under 10 bucks. So pay your tow, or they're gonna get your money one way or another. It's almost 7 p.m. Got the truck loaded down. Toolbox is loaded. Inside of the truck is loaded. Most importantly, we are about to head to Topeka, Kansas. We rolled into Kansas 3:30 this morning. Slept in the truck. Now we're gonna go look at some cars. Here we are in the vendor area. Not a lot of people in here yet, but then again, the show doesn't start till Thursday night. There's the inspection line. Got a 98 to 02 and 3 round back wagons just pulled in. This is our spot for the week. We are behind Team Octane. Parking lot's starting to fill up. Team WRP. This has been the first 24 hours or so of our Blizzard Bash vacation. I think we're about to unhook from the trailer and go to an Indian casino for the night. So if you guys like these videos, want to see more Blizzard Bash, hit like, hit subscribe. Here we go.